So Dad's working on the diff here today. Peter just showed up and they're doing some work on one of the axles here. I'll go check in on them. Dad's just testing out the bearings here right now. Let's see how the bearings fit into the diff.
The other one's not good. Well, one should hurt regardless. Like, okay, you're right-handed. Come over here. Hang on. I can't swing that for a second. Hold it here.
It's moving.
Moving?
Yeah, I can see it moving.
Do it the way we did the other one. Okay. No, that's okay. Yeah. Try that. Yeah. Okay, grab it. Okay.
There you go. See, it's already spinning by itself.
Okay. One bar. That's what. Okay. See, this is what I was worried about. See, you over tighten on here. Actually, it should press in, but it's going to go on the seal then. Yeah.
So we had to have this differential completely rebuilt. We used Wesley Machine Shop in Winnipeg, and the guys were on it for a couple months actually, rebuilding this. It wasn't as simple of a process, and one of the axles was broken when we received it from the customer, so they actually had to make a brand new axle, and they actually had to figure out the bearings on what it was. It's moving. No, this one's moving.
Yeah, just a minute. You gotta go very gently. Now watch that one.
Yeah.
Come here. Come over here so I can show you what it's all about. You got 5 to 7 thou play. Yeah. So you can feel it. That's all it has before the axle turns. See? Yeah. So
anyways, Dad was assembling this, and there's questions that he had and whatnot.
Just tap this one. I'll watch this one. Went in by itself? Yeah. Okay. Flush? Covered. No, it has to be flush. See, look here. Yeah, okay.
See. Now, the good thing between these two guys is the good thing between these two guys, between the two of them, they both got 2 good arms. One's got a gamey right arm, the other one's got a gamey left arm.
Okay, that'll do.
So, if they put their minds together, they can do this together.
Okay, now, watch. This is preload. Now, where you go? Moving. Yeah.
Okay. This is the biggest part that I was worried about, because we'd spent so much money getting it rebuilt. I didn't know if everything was going together, but these guys seem to be pretty happy right now, which is good. So
Shit can go together after I get 2 seals.
there you go.
These seals actually just supposed to be flush because you need enough room for that.
You could get a better seal on that too.
No, I'll get new
Oh,
seals.
here's numbers.
Yeah, numbers are there.
It's not that same seal as the real
There's
seal.
two seals. One keeps the oil in. This one keeps
It's
the
not a
dirt
wheel
out.
seal, eh?
Hey?
That's not a wheel seal? Bombardier wheel seal?
No.
What's the
No,
number?
I checked it already. It's a national. The seal is a national, and it's 473226.
Okay. 473226.
Right.
Right. So national seal. I got to find 2 of those,
We'll get them.
and
You see, these got to be in far enough, those seals, to hold this in.
okay.
And then these seals were put in too far.
What number did you say it was?
473226. I think you
I
said.
think so, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see 473226. So that's a national seal. So I'll look online, see what I can find. Whew. Are you breathing a little easier on this one?
Yeah, I can get these from Carly. That's it.
Well, I'll check online to make sure that they're even available. But yeah, this is the one thing I was like, okay, well, we assembled this thing, and will it actually work? And I guess that everything got assembled correctly, and
The preload is very good.
good. So, guys, I gotta tell you one of the things on the diffs. If you got to get this rebuilt, it is going to cost you a fortune. Again, we used Wesley Machine Shop in Winnipeg. They were good. They actually took on the job. There was other places that Dad and Peter were going to send me to, and the guy looked at it and went, not a chance am I touching that old 60-year-old diff. So these guys are going to play around with this a bit more, and we'll keep checking in.
I'm going to put that taper on there and drive the key in. That locks that all right. But then the only thing is holding is that chunk of fucking metal on the race.
So this is one of the old axles here. It broke here. That's the way we got it from the customer. And so that's sheared right off. And so when we're getting this rebuilt, we had to make a new one of these. And they had to make sure they get the right bearings and everything.
Skis are froze down. Why not just get a jack all jack and free and instead of running back and forth? And then carry.
So again, this is Dad's project here. Good thing Peter showed up, because between the two of them, like I said, they got 2 good arms.
I'm gonna just stick this on so you know that's it.
Do these shims have to go in there at all, or no?
Yes, one thin one, one thick one on each side.
Okay,
Special bolts right there.
okay.
That's it.
Okay, so there you guys go. That's Dad's work today. And it's Saturday. And his apprentice is off for the weekend. What's going on?
So those axles can float around all right.
Yeah.
Peter's gonna hold here,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna run this with my good arm. Now watch this axle.
Yeah.
And that axle is spline and goes into the crown gear.
Okay. So there's a bit of play. Is that supposed to be like that, or no?
I think what I'm going to do is come over here, Peter. Pinch again. That's it.
What you're saying?
Yeah.
Maybe
So
the shims are made to take that up. Eh?
No, that's gonna give you more trouble. I'm not gonna put any shims in this one. Cause we're pinching it, right? And we've got this much play already.
So if you move it over here, you'll end up that much.
Right, we add in, the plank can come out further, right? And all it needs is 10 pound clears, just so the end of the axle can't come your spider head. There's that. Right. So let's have a coffee then.
Right.
We got that. It works down. When you put the bolts in here, it works up. So if we're changing any motor locks, we need that kind.
I think you can buy those new online too.
Yeah. Unless it goes on the drive shaft or something.
Something else distracted him here.
Yeah. You can't cut that. You have to cut this.
But this is cast too, then.
Yeah. You have to do it.
You might not
then-
weld very good there.
No, but it cracks all the
So you gotta do it this.
Did you guys notice this? Put it down for a second. Lay it flat. It's not even.
Just a minute.
Well,
That goes on.
Yeah. But is that enough like of a change
these
there?
aren't
That
even the
might
same-
make it
these aren't even the
unbalanced.
same size borehole.
No, okay, that's it. It's welded, somebody tack welded on this side. See, it's got a knob, so put it like this. The holes line up.
Yeah, they line up.
Okay.
So you could re-drill those.
So
So you
then-
gotta make this the fit.
Yeah.
Let's say you do that in the hole.
No, can't be there for
I know. Let's say you cut this. It has to go down.
Yeah, that's to be better. That's over the outside.
And then you gotta have another room for that other one to go around.
Well, the idea was either you, but here's, I'll show you something here. It always looks simpler than what it really is. You see, from there to there is roughly 3 1/4 inches.
Yeah.
Okay, you take 3 1/4 inches out of this,
Barely got enough.
you're gonna have hardly enough to put the bolts in.
Yeah.
I gotta take this to Excel and let him figure it out. I like the idea of having this one on here and then sliding the big one over, but I don't think that even slides over the yoke.
No, I think you'd have to go this way and you couldn't get it off anyway. I just machine up one that's made out of steel and weld it.
Yeah. There's problems with that too. You can't weld it too close because then you can't get the nuts off.
Yeah.
U-bolts go like this. Hey, back off a bit. Now say this is welded on there,
Yeah.
behind this. Okay. You come along with this now.
Can't get on. Oh, it's got a dish
It
in it.
doesn't slide over. So you'd have to take this off.
Can't. I know what you mean, yeah.
And then what? That's gonna be bolted on here. It doesn't work. Might be bolted on this way. I don't think you're gonna get the bolts, the nuts in there, look. Yeah, Jesus Christ. Just get Excel, cut the goddamn shaft, make a.
Tell them what you want.
But here's the problem. It's okay. Well, the diff's out, eh?
Yeah.
Because these U-bolts bolt that diff down.
Yeah.
Then you can't get over that axle to put the
Oh,
at
yeah.
8.5 inches.
That's
You
right.
can't get it over top.
One thing always magnifies the next thing.
So somebody online said, well, just cut the axle. It would look pretty good with two floating axles.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
Another positive day at the shop.
When you first look, it looks simple. But then we get going.
Everything magnifies into something else.
What the hell? You left him outside alone?
Same way.